Welcome back to Faith and Fit, where we train with purpose and honor our God given strength. Today, let's talk about one of the best upper body exercises, the chin up. Start by grabbing the bar with your palms facing towards you, hands about shoulder width apart. This grip places more emphasis on your biceps and lower lats, making chin ups slightly easier for most people than pull ups. Engage your core, keep your chest tall, and pull yourself up until your chin clears the bar. Then lower down slowly with control. Keep your body tight, no swinging. Think of it like lifting yourself with grace and discipline. Now let's compare. Pull ups use an overhand grip, which shifts focus to your upper lats and shoulders, and they tend to be harder. Chin ups, on the other hand, are great for beginners building foundational strength and developing arm size and pulling power. The big benefit of chin ups, they work your back and arms at the same time, and they're easier on your shoulders. They also carry over well to real world strength like climbing, lifting, and even holding yourself accountable. Add chin ups to your weekly routine to grow stronger in both body and faith. Remember, every rep is a chance to grow in discipline. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. Subscribe for more scripture based strength training and stay strong in spirit and form.